Sa US Supreme Court, lagi kasing nakaka-characterize yung SCOTUS na is it left, is it right, is it center, ganyan. It's hard for us to do that here. Parang wala naman tayong left or right. Bakit ganun?
Very specific sa court, sa US Supreme Court, no, because of the appointing power and because it's a lifetime appointment. Kaya nahabol talaga yon. Because, for example, if they appoint someone young, like the new appointee, Justice Kavanaugh, he's 50 plus, no? If he's in good health, he can stay for another 40 years, no? And that's how many generations of Americans, no, who will be affected, and not only Americans, everyone else, no, by his decisions. So that's why malaking bagay sa kanila yung direct appointment. Tapos sa kanila kasi, hindi naman pareho ng system natin na may JBC screening. Sa kanila pabaliktad. The President nominates and then submits to the Senate for advice and consent. So, dun ngayon yung confirmation process. Dun ngayon nagbabakbakan. And so, it is highly political because, of course, the Senate is highly political. That was the system that the constitutional framers of the 87 Constitution wanted to avoid, na walang confirmation para hindi maging political. Yes. Kaya nagkaroon na JBC.
But then again, i-appoint pa rin sila ng presidente.
Exactly.
So,
well, wala tayong magagawa doon because the president is really the appointing power, no? But the hope was that the JBC would be, the screener, talagang sasalain, so that pagdating sa presidente, salang-sala, no? Ganun yun. But of course, siyempre, time would have given us these lessons, no? That of course, the JBC is not a perfect institution. May mga changes na nangyari, no? May mga procedures silang binago. So, that's the system now. That's why we don't have left or right, no? Kasi una-una hindi naman yun ang tinitingnan ng JBC. Ang tinitingnan ng JBC, because the criteria simply is integrity, probity, competence. Yun lang naman eh. So hindi tinitingnan yung effect of the court, the justices on their decisions rather on everyone else. That's the first. Second, hindi natin tinitingnan masyado, no? With the exception of a few JBC members, yung track record, no? How extensively has this person written on this particular topic, no? Wala pa tayong ganung sistema na pagsasala. Sa US, grabe yung pagsasala nila. They will really look at everything you've written. And if you're a judge, how have you written on this? Civil liberties, on privacy, on freedom of expression, freedom of the press, presidential power, no? Separation of powers. Kasi may paper trail ka eh. Doon ka nila nakikilala. Hindi nila tinitingnan masyado yung personality. Except for, let's say, like, yung kay Kavanaugh, na lumabas yung personality niya because may nag-complain. But other than that, they look at the paper trail. And the paper trail is determines how you view certain things. Kaya ka nalilabel na conservative, liberal. Dito hindi natin tinitingnan masyado yon. No, we look at other things.
Balik lang ako bahagya dun sa JBC process. Wouldn't you say na parang medyo nawala yung boses ng tao? Kasi sa US, it's their representatives who are gonna vote. And di ba may threaten pa sila na if you confirm him, I'm not gonna vote for you. Dito, isa lang per chamber ang makakaboto. So, what would you prefer? Yung present setup natin or would you rather na dadaan siya
hindi ko nadaanan gaano yung previous setup, no, yung may confirmation na yung actual na bakbakan sa commission appointments. But also looking at our experience with the commission appointments on previous appointments, no, executive branch for example, no, mahirap din kasing daanan yun, no, kasi because these are judges, these are justices, no, and in order to get past the commission appointments, grabe yung hurdle na gagawin mo. Diba? So, siguro kung gusto natin ibalik yung aspect na may representation, na may boses yung tao, perhaps some adjustment needs to be done in how the CA would conduct its hearings, no, on that. Kasi as it is, no, minsan very very trivial, no, ang ayaw ko sa'yo, section 20, tapos ka na, no? Ganon. And so I've seen and I know people who have really, done things that they normally would not do, talk to people they would normally not talk to, para lang makalusot sa commission appointments. And that's a reality, no? And these are good people who really just want to serve. Pero kailangan nilang daanan eh. So, I don't think I want that for judges and justices. Kasi una-una, umpisa pa lang, alam mo na, baka mako-compromise to, di ba? So, but the JBC also, no, siguro, may konting paghihigpit naman siguro din na kailangan gawin, no? It's not a perfect system, but I think it's a system that kahit papaano is
That
working.
works.
Is working, no?